sine 18 and cos 72 is same. Now value of cos 18, what will be the value of cos 18? We know that cos square 18 cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, and the value of sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. By opening the square we get 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5 upon 16, and it will be equal to 16 minus 6 and it will be equal to 10 plus minus minus plus 2 root 5 upon 4. This is the value of cos square 18. Now value of cos 18 will be under root 10 plus 2 root 5 upon 2 upon here is 16 and here is 4. Now next value of cos 36. Angle A is equal to 36, by multiply by 5 it will equal to this. Similarly 5a 2a plus 3a, and 2a is 180 degree minus 3a, and taking sine sin 2a is 2 sin a cos a, and here is equal to sin 3a. Now sin 3a is 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. By taking sine common we get 2 cos a is equal to 3 minus 4 sin square a, and change sin square a into 1 minus cos square a, and we get 3 minus 4 plus 4 cos square a, means 2 cos a is equal to this. Now 2 cos a is equal to 1 minus 1 plus 4 cos square a. Now 4 cos square a minus 2 cos a and minus 1 equal to 0. By solving by quadratic we get cos a is 2 minus b plus minus b square minus 4a and c upon 2a, and it will be equal to 2 plus minus 4 plus 16 upon 8. and this will be equal to 4 plus 16 20, and 4 5s are 20. By taking 2 common, we get 1 plus minus under root 5 upon 4. Hence, value of cos 36 is 1 plus under root 5 upon 4, taking only positive value, because angle 36 lies in the first quadrant. Hence, we will take only positive value. Now, next, value of sin 36 is, we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, and value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 upon 4 whole square. This will be equal to 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 upon 16, and it will be equal to 16 minus 6 plus 2 root 5 upon 16, and it will be equal to 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 16. This is the value of sin square 36. Now, sin 36 is under root 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Now, corollaries. Value of sin 54 is sin 90 minus 36, and it will be equal to cos 36, and cos 36 is root 5 plus 4. Similarly, cos 54 is cos 90 minus 36, and this will be equal to sin 36, and value of sin 36 is 10 minus 2 root 5 upon 4. Now, next, values of sin 220 and half degree. We know that 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, and putting a is equal to 2 sin square 220 22 and half, and it will be equal to 1 minus cos 45, and it will be equal to 1 minus root 2, and it will be equal to root 2 minus root 2, and sin square 22 and half is, this 2 will be in the denominator. Now, by cross multiply by root 2, by rationalize by under root 2, we get root 2 minus 1, and in denominator 4, and numerator is, this is sin square 22 and half, and now sin 22 and half is equal to root 2 minus under root upon 2 plus minus. Now some questions. Two plus 2 under root 2, 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta will be equal to 2 cos theta. Now we have to prove. First of all we have take only left hand side. 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 and 2 cos square 2 theta, and it will be equal to 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta and 2 1 plus cos 2 theta under the root, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta, and it will be equal to 4 cos square theta. By taking under root we will get 2 cos theta. Now next question. Cos square 66 minus sin square 6 degree is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 8. Now we know the formula of cos square a minus sin square b is cos a plus b and cos a minus b. And it will be equal to cos 72 and cos 60. We know that cos 72 degree is cos 90 minus 18 and cos 60 is 1 by 2, and sin 18, and the value of sin 18 is this, under root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Now next question. Tangent pi by 4 plus theta plus tangent pi by 4 minus theta is equal to 2 secant 2 theta. Now left hand side, tangent pi by 4 plus theta plus tangent pi by 4 minus theta, it will be equal to 1 plus tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta, and this is 1 minus tan theta and 1 plus tan theta. Now by taking LCM, it will be equal to 1 plus tan theta whole square and plus 1 minus tan theta whole square, and it will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and in denominator it is equal to 1 minus tan square theta, and it will be equal to 2 cos 2 theta, which is equal to 2 secant 2 theta. And so thank you please.